Hello everyone, Grandma here.
And Grandpa.
Since St. Patty's Day is approaching, I thought it would be fun to make Irish potato candy. This is not an Irish recipe. It originated in Philadelphia and goes back over 100 years. It reminds me of when I was younger and my friends and I used to take our wagons to the local potato field and pick the leftover potatoes after they were harvested. Here are the ingredients that we need. 5 tablespoons of softened butter, 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 4 cups of powdered sugar, 2½ cups of sweetened shredded coconut, ground cinnamon for coating.
In a large bowl with my hand mixer, I am going to mix the butter and the cream cheese together until they're smooth. Next, I'm going to add the vanilla extract and the coconut and mix it until it's combined. I like to add the coconut a little at a time. Next, I'm going to add the powdered sugar and mix it in. I always like to add my dry ingredients a little at a time. It's done when everything looks like it's well mixed together. There is not baking involved with this recipe, so all I have to do is scoop out the candy onto a parchment paper lined tray. I use the scoop to portion the dough and then I roll it in my hands to make a nice smooth shape. Now that my tray is full, I'm going to put it in my refrigerator to chill for 30 minutes.
After 30 minutes, I took the candy out of the refrigerator. They are nice and cool, and all I have to do is shape each one into the shape of a small potato. You just want to flatten them out a little bit so they are more oval than round. It's very easy to do.
To make them look like potatoes, I am using the ground cinnamon. I'm putting it into a small Ziploc bag, and then I am taking one candy at a time and dropping it into the bag and coating it with the cinnamon. Then I'm removing the potato and putting it back onto the parchment paper on the tray. They are starting to really look like potatoes now.
Our Irish candy potatoes are done now. Don't they look cute? We have to put them in the refrigerator for about an hour. After an hour, I took them out of the refrigerator and made a little potato sack out of a paper bag. This is a very cute way to serve them. They are perfect to serve after a corned beef and cabbage meal. How do they taste, Grandpa?
I'll let you know in a minute, Ma. They're very sweet. They don't taste anything like a potato.
What do they taste like?
Sweet cream cheese with coconut topped with cinnamon. They're very good.
Glad you like them, Pa.
It was a very good idea to make them, Ma.
To store the candies, put them in the refrigerator in an airtight container. They last up to 2 months, or you can freeze them up to 6 months.